Hello, we are coming to you from Cotting Consulting. We have some great tech tips to assist teachers, parents, and service providers. In part 2 of our custom recipes for iOS, we're bringing you adaptations for cake pops. Let's hear more from Karen Waddell, Clinical Director at Cotting Consulting.
In part 1 of iOS switch recipes, we showed you 2 simple motor acts. This time we're going to show you a more complicated app being modified to use a single switch to do 8 different things. There's a lot of partner play involved in this activity, and the role of the partner is important. This is not an independent play activity. Although we have one physical switch, we have set up 8 virtual switches so that we can have our target student complete 8 different motor acts inside this app. There are 6 basic steps to making cake pops. The first step is picking the flavor, and we do that through partner-assisted scanning. Next, the student is going to add the ingredients by using the switch. Each time they press the switch, the next ingredient is added. In between switches, it's important that the partner change the jack location so the correct ingredient gets added to the bowl. Step 3 is mixing the batter. Our target student is going to use the switch to do that stirring. In steps 4 and 5, the partner is going to do the motor acts, and the target student is going to have the opportunity to give directions. They can tell the staff things like, "You do it," "Put it in," "Help please," or during the decorating make comments like, "I like it." The last step is eating the cake pop. Our target student takes an active role in controlling the iPad again here, pressing the switch to take bites of the cake pop. So that's how we took an app that has a more complicated interface and simplified it for our students so that they got some of the motor turns and a partner got some of the motor turns and lots of communication activities.
Thank you for joining us today. We hope you enjoyed this video. Feel free to comment below, and if you have any questions about Cotting Consulting Services, you can reach us at cotting.org.